This is for my babies.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if this is your first time, you are also welcome to the family. My name is Blessing Ekato and I'm back with something interesting. So guys, today in this video we are going to be doing a makeup transformation from this to this. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then let's get right into this video. So guys, I already went ahead to prep my skin and I'm going ahead to apply foundation, and I'm using the Naked Kiss Beauty in the shade 02 and the Mary Kay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Bronze 708. So the next thing I want to do is to apply concealer, and I'm using the Pro Conceal in the shade 02. So guys, I'm going ahead to blend the concealer with a small Zoeva brush, and like for a while now I've been loving using a small brush to blend the concealer because this actually gives me a better control on how to spread or how to blend the concealer. Then I'm going ahead to blend it all out with a beauty sponge. As you can see, I started off with the edges of the concealer because this would give me a proper access to blend properly. So guys, I'm going ahead to brighten up my under eyes, so I'm going in with the same concealer and then using a small brush to blend it all out. So the next thing we want to do is to contour, and you guys know I love using a dark foundation and a red lipstick for my contour. So if you haven't tried this out, I need you to try it out and leave a comment down below to tell me how it worked for you, because this is literally what works for me. So if you don't have a darker shade of foundation or a contour palette, you can literally try this out because it works like magic. So guys, I'm going in with a red lipstick, and I'm using a red lipstick from the Who Is That Girl lipstick palette. I'm going ahead to use the Zoeva buffer brush to blend the contour, to blend the foundation and the lipstick together. You want to blend to get what you are looking for. So that's what I'm literally doing right now. You guys know I love going in with a beauty sponge to blend it flawlessly. Like if you want a flawless finish, you after using your brush, you want to also go in with your beauty sponge, not just a dry beauty sponge but a wet beauty sponge. So the next thing I want to do is to set the areas I highlighted, and I'm using the black opal finishing powder in the shade 02. So guys, what I do, I don't bake. So what I do is, after dipping my beauty sponge into the powder, I dust off the excess powder at the back of my palm, and then before going into my face. So that's what I literally do, because that's what gives me a perfect, or rather a flawless finish. This is what we are looking like, and I'm loving it. I don't know what happened, I was just dancing, don't mind me guys. So the next thing we want to do is our brows. So I'm brushing out my brows, then I'm going in with the Davis brand pencil to line up my brows. So I'm going ahead to clean up my brows with the Pro Conceal in the shade 02. And then I'm going in with a small brush to blend the concealer. So the next thing we want to do is to apply eyeshadow, and I'm applying a base for my eyeshadow, and I'm using a concealer as my base, as my eyeshadow base. You can actually use an eyeshadow primer, but if you don't have an eyeshadow primer, concealer can also work and do the trick. So guys, firstly I'm going in with a brown shade. And secondly, I'm going in with a very light pink shade.
Smiling face, 'cause baby I love, it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels, you look good.
And then I'm going in with a purple shade.
You don't have to change, 'cause baby I love, it's natural. This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your face.
So guys, I'm going ahead to do one of my favorite parts, and that is eyeliner. So I'm going ahead to use a black pencil to line my eyes, and if you haven't tried this out, girl, what are you waiting for? Like, try it out and leave a comment down below to share with me what you think about it, because it's flawless. This is actually like a simpler way to apply eyeliner. So I'm going ahead to apply mascara. You know guys, I don't do false lashes, not because I don't want to, but because I don't know how to yet. So I'm going ahead to set my entire face with a face powder, and I'm using the Knotless pressed powder.
Natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural, and even if you let your hair go.
So the next thing I want to do is to apply lipstick, and I'm going ahead to use the Davis Brown pencil to line my lips. So I go ahead to apply a clear lip gloss to moisturize my lip. So I'm going ahead to apply the lipstick, and I think I used a brown and a pink nude lipstick, and I'm using this lipstick from Who Is That Girl lipstick palette.
If you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos.
So guys, I'm going ahead to blend my entire face with my brush, then going to set my entire face with my homemade setting spray. The next thing I want to do is to apply blush. This is one of my favorite routine. So I'm using a red lipstick from the Who Is That Girl lipstick palette. You guys know I love blush. Not just blush, I love red blush because it gives me that tone, it gives me that flawless finish. And voila, this is what we are looking like. So guys, this is what we are looking like, and this is the flawless finish. This is the complete look. This is the look we just created. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed.